the growl of the engine, the crack of the timber, a cascade of sawdust, and a flawless cut. Prepare to witness it all in today's video. Witness the awe-inspiring power of this colossal 56-inch circular saw. Even after 50 years of service, its resilience and capability remain unmatched. Watch as it effortlessly slices through a massive 14-foot-long, 33-inch diameter cottonwood tree, a testament to its enduring legacy. Three minutes. That's all it takes for a lifetime of growth to meet the ground. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the world. Respect for the tree, respect for the lumberjack skill. That's what this video is about. Ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with the flick of a switch? The Bell 8000 Circular Saw Firewood Processor is here to make your dreams a reality. This 125 horsepower electric beast effortlessly slices through logs, leaving you with perfectly sized firewood in no time. Anyone in forestry knows, speed isn't the only factor. The Awi RT800 Raptor's strength lies in its sustainable approach. Mulching those stumps back into the earth? That's how you build a healthy forest for generations to come. There's a saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. I think it applies to sitting on a tree trunk too. Luckily, this guy is okay. The Cat 323 is more than just a machine. It's a powerhouse that delivers the performance of a seasoned veteran. With its robust digging arm and 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine, it effortlessly conquers even the toughest excavation tasks, tearing through stubborn roots and stumps like they're nothing. This excavator is built to last, ensuring optimal productivity and minimal downtime on any job site. sure the old-timers will spin a yarn about white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask them what they really miss, and it's the simple stuff. The rumble of a cab over, the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the windrows turn in the fields. Those are the memories that stick with them, long after they are hung up your keys. The RSL UK 16-inch Mark II. Tree shear is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Its powerful grip and precise cutting action offer unparalleled control, even when dealing with the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and the ability to operate at lower pressures, this shear maximizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Built to last with high-quality components, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. This video underscores the vital importance of proper safety equipment and vigilance when felling trees. The consequences could have been unthinkable without that helmet. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder? Beast mode. It's like, give a skilled person the right tools and they can conquer anything. The felling of such a colossal tree necessitates a high degree of expertise and meticulous calculation. From the ascent to the pruning and the clearing, each phase is laden with potential hazards. Finally, the giant was conquered. The Jobo WP50. Woodpecker is a revelation for small-scale forestry operations. It's a versatile powerhouse that handles both delimbing and firewood production with ease. Plus, its low oil consumption makes it a perfect match for older tractors, giving them a new lease on life. Efficiency, versatility, and sustainability. The Jobo WP50 Woodpecker has it all. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is the most formidable mulcher I've ever encountered. It's engineered like a fortress, operates flawlessly, and yields results that leave clients beaming. Sure, at $36,000, it's an investment, but considering the time and labor it conserves, it's a strategic decision. Witness it conquer that stubborn stump, and you'll grasp its true value. There's a certain beauty in watching raw logs being processed into lumber. The scale and efficiency of these operations are a testament to years of refinement in the industry. It's a reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and resource management. Gisborne, strategically located on New Zealand's North Island, presents an ideal opportunity for afforestation initiatives. Its favorable climate fosters rapid tree growth, while its moderately sloped terrain facilitates efficient planting and harvesting operations. The region's well-established forestry infrastructure and proximity to a world-class port further enhance its suitability for timber export. Introducing the Scania R770V8, a truck that redefines the limits of size and efficiency. Stretching an impressive 34 meters, this vehicle is longer than a blue whale and boasts a gross weight of 98 tons. Designed specifically for the wood chip transport industry, it reduces transport frequency by 30%, providing a significant boost to the Södertälje power plant's operations. Wow, this machine is blowing my mind. It's so fast and precise, I can't believe it's real. The way the blades move is mesmerizing. I'm so impressed. On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar isn't just logging, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every cut, every wedge, every rope placement is choreographed with precision. One misstep, and the mountainside becomes a stage for tragedy. These aren't just loggers, they're virtuosos of risk and responsibility. Ever seen a log turn into lumber? The R63-5B frame saw is your backstage pass. Picture this, a massive frame, blades lined up like teeth, slicing through wood like butter. It's a powerhouse, once the heart of any sawmill worth its salt. Sure, it's old school now, but trust me, watching it in action, pure magic. I must confess, I'm a bit of a John Deere enthusiast. The sheer power and precision of these machines never ceases to amaze me. From the rumble of the engine to the rhythmic clack of the harvester head, every aspect of their operation is a symphony of efficiency. I could watch them work for hours on end. Any fellow fans out there? Let me know in the comments. Ever tried wrestling a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun, right? Well, the CTR750GX Mobile is here to save the day. It's like a lumberjack on steroids, slicing through 75-centimeter logs like butter. It's so precise, you'll think it has laser vision. And with its powerful petrol engine, it's always ready for action, no matter how remote your workshop. Okay, $17,000 might sound like a lot, but it's cheaper than therapy after a log wrestling mishap. So ditch the chainsaw and embrace the future of woodworking. Your back will thank you. Just a simple pulley system and a car yanked that stump out like it was nothing. That's the power of physics. Oh my gosh, saw's jammed. Pros know to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety first, right? Better to be safe than... I bet this is a first for you all. This Caterpillar 309CR is sporting a saw and a grapple. It can reach up high to trim branches and then scoop up all the mess. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? The Valtra A124 Forestry tractor may look like a cuddly teddy bear, but don't be fooled. This compact machine packs a serious punch. With its fully loaded Palms trailer and crane 7.86, the A124 is like a tireless workhorse, effortlessly hauling timber through even the most demanding landscapes. It's a testament to the fact that size isn't everything in the forestry world. Cutting trees is like a chess match against nature, where you need to anticipate the tree's next move. Tangled branches and wedged trees are like tricky puzzles, requiring careful planning and precise cuts to bring them down safely. And remember, sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to step back and call in reinforcements.
Oh, this Belarus EMS 1025 is a real champ. It tackles those tough logging jobs with a smile. Heavy loads, muddy trails, no problem. This tractor's got it all under control. It's like a trusty sidekick, always ready for an adventure.
Whoa, hold the phone. This is mind-blowing. That trucker's pulling off some Superman-level stunts? How in the world is he doing that? I'm on the edge of my seat here. And that's a wrap on today's woodworking adventure. Until next time, keep those blades sharp and your projects even sharper.
डर लगा था मुंडे ਨੂੰ उस्ताद जी हेलो करो हेलो कर दो उस्ताद जी फैंस ਨੂੰ बाय बाय मेरे यार ना करी मैं करा बड़ा दिल की तरफ जा रहा है मेरे वाला ਐਸ ਭਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵਲੌਗ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਾ ਦੇਣ ਯਾਰ ਕੀ ਬਾਤ ਹੈ ਸਰ ये है मुर्शद मेरे नाम का चैनल देखा अहमद सईद व्लॉग्स